Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be a super short DIY. It is a Pinterest inspired DIY as well. So I am just going to be using a scrap piece of wood, 2 soup cans, and just a mason jar. And I am just using this Key West paint from Apple Barrel, and I'm adding a little bit of water just to make it a stain. My neighbor actually showed me this trick. She does a lot of woodwork and stuff like that, and she came up with making her own stain, and I thought it was genius. So I'm just going to paint this whole board in this Key West slight stain. So like I said, this was pretty Pinterest inspired. I don't know if they originally used soup cans. They probably didn't, but I was just trying to do anything that was going to be completely free but still look really pretty inside your house.
When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Yeah.
And then now I'm just placing the mason jar and the soup cans in the position that I want them in, and I did spray paint all of them in the Heirloom White. It is by Rust-Oleum. It's just a spray paint, and I use it so much, and I actually just use it until it's gone, and then I just buy either a different color or something else. But I just kind of had these sitting here, and Presley was helping me, so I was really trying to hurry, sort of, and just to make sure she didn't touch the glue and stuff like that. Yes, I have a garbage bag underneath what I'm doing just so nothing gets on the floor. And then this was really easy. I just used E6000 and Hot Glue to place them. And then I did just tie some twine around the mason jar just to give it a little bit of extra something. I don't know, I probably didn't do a whole lot more, but I thought it still looked cute, and I am a fan of twine, so that is what I did. And then I just cut it a little bit so it wasn't so long. And then now I am just using these like fern leaves. I had these actually in a different DIY, and I actually started selling some of my stuff that was a little bit nicer that I knew that wasn't gonna fall apart. So I did end up taking stuff out and just getting rid of stuff and just bringing in some new decor. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!